For me, when I was looking at this event, did it align with our company's mission and what we were working on? And did the topics in the agenda work for what we do and where we work? The second piece I would say is also who made up the attendees of the event. I think it was a great moderator. There were a lot of great panelists who I had known in the past, a lot of new attendees who I've always wanted to speak to, so the guest list had a big influence on whether or not to come.
What keeps me coming back is the variety of companies that are here, the opportunities to see what other businesses are doing and learn from best practices from other companies. Another thing that keeps me coming back is it is structured, it is organized, it is well thought out, and it's very well done, very well put together.
The biggest reason though is why I like these events is the opportunity to network and engage with people in a very relaxed environment without it being more in a presentation sales type environment like you would get if you were, say, going to a Pack Expo or something like that, where you're going up and down the aisles and you got used car salesmen coming out to try to pitch you something. This is much more in a more personable, relaxed environment to get that interaction and find out if it's somebody you want to really do business with.